Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lens cleaning pen is probably one of the most essential gadgets for photographers and videographers, ensuring your lenses stay pristine and your images remain crystal clear. This handy tool makes cleaning your camera lenses quick and easy, eliminating dust, smudges, and fingerprints without the need for messy liquids or potentially damaging cloths. We'll explore why this is a must-have accessory and how to use it effectively to maintain the quality of your equipment and the brilliance of your shots. Number 5. Nikon 7072 Lens Pen. Say hello to effortless lens cleaning. It's effective, durable, and built to last. This cleaning system maintains a high standard of quality. You can trust it to keep your lenses pristine. The soft brush retracts into the pen body, keeping it clean and ready for use. No more messy brushes. It effortlessly removes fingerprints, dust, and other debris that can ruin your shots. Get crystal clear images every time. It's perfect for all your cameras, binoculars, telescopes, and more. It's the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. Experience the difference of a superior lens cleaning system. Get yours today. What we like. It's effective, durable, and long-lasting. If you need a reliable and long-term solution for cleaning your lenses, this is the one for you. Its consistent quality makes it perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike who value dependability. What people say. The Nikon 7072 Lens Pen Cleaning System is a compact and effective tool designed to help photographers maintain their camera lenses in pristine condition. The pen features a dual-ended design. One end has a soft, retractable brush for removing loose dust and debris, while the other end has a cleaning tip with a special carbon compound to gently remove fingerprints, smudges, and other marks from the lens surface. Soft brush for dust and a magic pad for any fingerprints. Does a great job. The retractable brush slides out for use quite easily, and it's quite soft. At the other end is a capped cleaning pad for removing smudges and fingerprint marks from the end of your lens. This part should be employed only after you've used the brush portion to clean dust or debris from the filter or lens surface. Number 4. VSGO VP01E Lens Pen. It features a multi-layer nanoscale optical carbon head. This effectively removes fingerprints, oil, and stubborn stains from delicate optical surfaces. The fine, soft brush is perfect for hard-to-reach areas. It gently cleans gaps around lenses and filter rims, reaching where cloths can't. The protective cap keeps both the brush and carbon heads clean, and it's easy to carry. The cap design prevents it from falling out. It's great for camera lenses, optical lenses, glasses, telescopes, and more. This versatile tool is perfect for various optical products. The carbon head provides highly efficient cleaning without affecting image quality. Contact us immediately if you have any quality issues. What we like. This one boasts a precision carbon head and a soft brush head for versatile cleaning. If you have stubborn stains or hard-to-reach areas to clean, this is your best bet. The protective cap adds extra convenience and peace of mind. What people say. Just push out the tip, gently swab your lens, and you're seeing clearly again with no scratches. One end gently rubs away any smudges and the other brush end is great for dust. Soft brush easily ejects from the pen with an easy slider and cleans dust from the lens without scratches, providing a safe, water-free cleaning. Remove a cap to access the separate, dry black infused powder on the other end to remove fingerprints that remain. Number 3. Compact Lens Cleaning Pen. This innovative cleaning pen is designed for effortless cleaning of various delicate surfaces. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use. It features a soft brush to remove particles and dual probes, one for round lenses and another for square viewfinders. This ensures thorough cleaning of all types of lenses. The precision toner effectively absorbs grease and fingerprints, leaving your lenses spotless. Say goodbye to smudges and oily residue. Its pen-like design and lightweight construction make it incredibly portable. You can easily carry it in your pocket or camera bag. It's built to last, and the replaceable toner ensures long-term use. Simply replace the cap to replenish the toner when needed. It's not just for lenses. It's perfect for cleaning various precision equipment, from telescopes to keyboards, making it a versatile cleaning solution. What we like. It features a soft brush, precision toner, and a compact design. If you are looking for a portable and versatile solution for cleaning various delicate surfaces, this is the perfect choice. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go cleaning. What people say. The triangle-edged tool is great for cleaning optics lenses and other things with awkward, recessed corners. The brush portion of this does a nice job of removing the debris by pointing the gun up and twisting the brush inside the optic. Easy to use and effective. Triangle head is great for square lenses. Number 2. UES Double-Ended Lens Pen. It features 2 specialized cleaning tips. The soft brush removes loose dust, while the carbon tip tackles fingerprints and smudges for a thorough clean. Say goodbye to blurry photos. It guarantees crystal clear optics, so you can capture stunning, sharp images. Made with premium materials, it's designed to be safe and gentle. The soft brush and carbon tip clean thoroughly without scratching. It's easy to use and comfortable to hold. Its lightweight design makes it the perfect travel companion. Built to last, it's engineered for durability. The carbon tip is designed for long-lasting cleaning performance. It's perfect for camera lenses, binoculars, VR headsets, and more. Keep all your optics sparkling clean. What we like. This lens pen offers dual-sided cleaning for crystal clear optics and is safe and gentle on your lenses. If you prioritize a safe yet effective cleaning process that ensures pristine image quality, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value both performance and lens protection. What people say. This works well and the Delta Point Pro was clear as the day I put it on after using this little scope brush. It's a lens cleaning pen, similar to most out there. This one in particular feels very well made, from the retractable switch to the tips, even the caps. The size is convenient and very portable, and I keep mine in my camera case whenever it's not in my pocket. The nano carbon tip would really clean off the fingerprint that the cloth had only smeared around. It left a dust that made me think things had just gotten worse, but all I needed to do was flip the pen around and use the brush side to whisk that away in just a few swipes. Amazing results, as it left the glass projector lens absolutely spotless and dustless, without any scratching or swirl marks. Number 1. LensPen NLP-1. Say hello to the LensPen NLP-1, your all-in-one solution for cleaning lenses. It's designed for superior cleaning power without any messy fluids. This innovative carbon compound is at the heart of its effectiveness. It's been improved for even better cleaning results, all without the need for liquids. The new twist cap activates the cleaning tip, making it incredibly easy to use. It's simple, efficient, and mess-free. It features a retractable, ultra-soft brush for gently removing dust and debris before you clean. This ensures a thorough and streak-free finish. It's environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and ergonomically designed for comfortable handling. It's the perfect tool for any lens cleaning task. With its innovative design, it's completely spill-proof. No more worries about spills, drips, or drying out, it's always ready to use. What we like. It has an improved carbon compound, a retractable brush, and is eco-friendly. If you are looking for an environmentally conscious option with superior cleaning power, this is a great choice. The innovative design and eco-friendly materials make it a responsible choice for the environment-conscious user. What people say. Lens or filter is cleaned in 10 seconds or less, fingerprints and dust are gone. Compact, tight design, fits into the camera bag or pocket easily. The carbon tip does an excellent job at cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.